Now I'm going to show you in a better way so you can see the gauge, the portafilter, and here you'll be able to see the drip. It's finished, and I'm waiting to finish dripping. Notice that the gauge right here is not dropping all the way down. Because it's actually not finishing this. I think this problem is probably firmware, because otherwise the timing is not right. And the gauge on the old one always dropped much farther below than this. And as you can see, it's still high. Okay, now it's finished, and I'm going to proceed to remove the portafilter. And the portafilter, put it over here, the light. This is hard to get the camera right. Okay, as you can see, is wet, completely wet. There is not, the puck is not dry at all. And there, folks, is the problem.